Hello guys and welcome back to my vlog. So this vlog is the most awaited vlog because this vlog is of driving license, that how can you apply for the driving license in Georgia. And I know this vlog is little bit late, but I was very busy in my exams and all because it was my semester last exam, so I was very busy, so sorry for the delay. But here you have a detailed information on how you can apply for the driving license in Georgia. तो चलो और अब शुरू करते हैं. There are 5 steps for applying for the driving license. So step 1 is I think for step 1 you should always do the practice questions before registering your license form. So for that you have to open the site. This is theoria.on.ge, and there in tickets, go to the list of tickets, and there you will find questions. There are around 1000 to 1300 questions and 32 chapters in totals, and you have to practice all of them because any 30 questions from this only will come on your theoretical exam. Then after that, when you are fully sure that yes, you have done your best and you are prepared for the exam, then you can also do one more thing. You can go and check your knowledge. You can go to the exam bar, and then there, like which category exam you want to give, for example B category, then you will click on this and there will be 30 questions you will be getting, and you can take the self test. So from start the test here, like this, you will get 30 questions and you can test your knowledge from there. So step 2, after when you are completely sure that you are ready for the exam, then do the registration. So in registration you have to open the site www.sa.government.ge. so in that site you have to go on the service bar, and there you will see that driving license categories are already there, so you can click on the categories. Then there are certain categories like driving license categories. In this you have to select the theoretical age test. So in this you have to select the theoretical test. After that, see it's written book a visit for the theoretical exam. So for the theoretical exam you have to click this, and then you have to select the operator, which operator do you want to pay. So for the payment it is of 40 gel. For example, if you have to pay from Bank of Georgia, then you have to go on the registration and you have to fill all your details, and in the second page of registration, then you will be getting a message on your phone number that the registration has been successfully done. But in this also you have to give the information of your TRC card or passport, anything. So the cost will be 40 gel of this. Then after that, so guys, after these 2 steps, let's move on to the third step, that is of health certificate. So for the health certificate the cost is 20 to 25 gel, and there are many places from which you can get this health certificate. If you know, that is well and good, and if you don't know, I will mention the location in the description box. And then the fourth step is of you have to do the practice. That will be highly recommended. So for clearing the practical exam, it is better to take a class, 1 day class, that is also of 25 to 30 gel maximum for 1 hour. And in that, the teacher will teach you all the tricks for how can you clear the practical exam. So it's better to learn all the tricks before and then to appear for the practical exam. So it from my side it is highly recommended, and also I'm telling you, or I'm suggesting you based on my personal experience. Then after that, the fifth step is of giving the theoretical exam, and the sixth step is of giving the practical exam. So I will suggest you to do that practice for the practical exam before giving the theoretical exam itself. and then at the day when you give the theoretical exam and you will clear it, on the same day you can go for the practical exam. So practical exam you can give like in a window period of 30, like after clearing the theoretical exam you have 30 days to clear for the practical exam. So like in 30 days, every seventh day you get a free chance of giving the practical exam, but that on manual. But if you want to give exam on automatic car, then you have to pay 40 gel. And if you failed and you have to give a reattempt on the same day, then you have to pay 72 gel for this. So I will suggest you, if you like to do in the automatic car, because with automatic car the chances are high of passing the exam than to manual, because this is also with my personal experience, because in manual exam, like if you give the exam with the manual car, then like it is not that easy to handle. I will also recommend you that if you failed in the first attempt after paying 40 gel, then wait for the next week and then pay 40 again, because if you take the exam on the same day when you failed, you have to pay 72 gel. And if you again failed, then 40 plus 72, it will be 112. So that will be very much. So that's why I will recommend you that if you fail in first attempt, then you should wait for 1 week and then again you should give the re-exam by after paying 40 gel. So like it is on depends on you that how many attempts you'll take to clear the practical exam. So like people are also asking me about the exact amount that I have spent. So guys, as I've told you that it varies. Plus if you just ask me for the cost of theoretical exam, so for that it will be 40 gel. And after that for health certificate it will be 25, so 65. For the practice before giving the practical exam is 25, so 90. So this is 90 gel in total. If you do it on manual and you pass it, then it will be 90 gel only. Then but if you do on automatic and in first attempt you pass, it will be 90 plus 40, it will be 130. So guys, it all depends on you. Like if we exclude practical exam, then it will be 90 gel. So it is not that expensive getting a license in Georgia. But if you fail, guys, don't get disheartened. You can give the exam 2-3 times, and after that you will definitely gonna clear it. The highly recommended thing is to learn the tricks, and we have 5 things in the practical exam. So we have 5 or 6, I don't remember exactly. So first thing is the parking. So we have the garage parking first, then we have the 8, then we have the intersection, like change of direction, and then we have uphill, and after that we have parallel parking. So these are all the contents that you will get during your practical exam. So for the parking, or the garage parking or the parallel parking, you should know the tricks how to see the sticks behind from the side mirror, so that the teacher will tell you the tricks. So spending 25 gel will be less than getting fail again and again and giving 40 gel each time. So spending 25 gel and referring to the teacher will be easier thing, I suppose. So yeah, and also there are many teachers who can teach you these tricks. So one teacher I know who taught me, he is very good, he also speaks English. So I'll mention his number in the description box. And also you can go to any teacher, you can search for the teachers on the Facebook and you can go to them also. And if you don't know, then you can simply go to the description box and see the number and just call him and he will gonna help you. So yeah, these are all the steps, this is all the detailed information that I can give to you guys. And all the best for your license. सो आई होप दिस व्लॉग विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइज। और आप लोगों के जितने भी डाउट्स थे, जितने भी बहुत सारे लोगों के मैसेजेस आए हुए थे कि कैसे अप्लाई करना है, क्या प्रोसीजर है, कितना कॉस्ट लगेगी प्रॉपर, तो ये सारे मैंने आपके क्वेश्चन के आंसर इस व्लॉग में दे दिए हैं। एंड आई होप इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइज। और अगर आपको मेरे ब्लॉग्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ गाइज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और जल्दी जल्दी सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ाओ, क्योंकि अब मेरी छुट्टियां हैं तो मैं बहुत मज़ेदार ब्लॉग्स आपके लिए लेके आने वाली हूँ। और जो लोग मेरे ब्लॉग्स को प्यार देते हैं उन सबको थैंक यू सो मच। एंड एट लास्ट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डायलॉग, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।